Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to talk about some things that you can do that you might not have done all year since it's starting to get cold out or colder, at least here on the East Coast. So things that we don't think about too often is our furnace. You know, if we're camping all summer long, we haven't used that furnace, we haven't had a need for it. If you're not using a screen to protect this furnace when you're not using it, like right here in our example, things can get in there. Not too long ago, we just had a customer bring their coach in that actually had a bird nest built in here. Little birds, mud daubers, wasps, any kind of insects, they can get in these ports and they can build nests and they can cause damage. When we don't use our furnace or things like that during the summer time and things like that, you forget about it, and then that first time that you need to use it doesn't work. So it's always a good practice to fire these things up every now and then just to make sure that they're working. It's always a good practice as well to cover these with a screen when you're not using them. That way you can prevent any kind of nest being built inside. But when it gets cold out, it's always a good idea to fire up things before you need them. So turning on your furnace, making sure it's firing up, running, burning like it's supposed to, is always a good idea to do before you leave.